people, welcome back to my channel. This is Tanisha. In case you are seeing this face for the first time and you find this helpful, like this video helpful or this channel helpful, then do not forget to hit the like button and the subscribe button and the bell icon. It's a little bit too much, but then please do it. If you're just wondering, this awesome boxy t-shirt is from Myntra and I've made a haul video on that. I will link it down below or somewhere in the screen as well, so you do not forget to check that out as well. Okay, and एक और चीज guys, बस आगे बढ़ने से पहले I just want to tell you कि please check out my Instagram account because everything that goes up over here goes up first on my Instagram account, and I always ask questions over there as to what you guys want to see or your suggestions or your assumptions or anything like that. Now let's get started. First item that I'll show you, I've actually already mentioned about that in my Myntra wish list video, and अगर वो नहीं देखा है तो वो भी जाके देख लो, link is down below. This is what it actually looks like. It is like a light grey color with a yellow print on it. On pictures it was looking like a very light yellow print, like a light lemon yellow kind of, but it is a little like a darker yellow. And not that light of a yellow, and the print is like you have this beautiful yin and yang over here, and then you have something written over here. And this top is actually known as a blouson crop top because of this area they call it a blouson crop top. So basically you have all of these padding over here. Can you see? I just flipped it all over and you can see there's so much of padding over here, and this is like a crop top. It has this very nice elastic at the bottom like this, and it has a lot of prints over here, and the material is like complete cotton. I got this one in the size M and I got this one for 679 rupees. I think so the original price was more than that. The material is very nice, very stretchy. It's not very sheer, but it's very light material. Okay, it's very light material. Love the vibes of it. I told you I'm getting this football vibes from it, a kind of casual vibe, but at the same time it's just so different and so cool. One, you also have a tie and dye option, which is like in a blue and yellow color. I wanted to get that, but I had too many pieces in tie and dye and I just wanted to try this one out. Next one that I'm going to show you is actually in a purple shade. I got two pieces in purple shade this time, and this one is a t-shirt dress. This is what it is like. I don't know if you can literally see it all the way or not, but I'm just going to show you like this. So this is what the t-shirt is like. It has a round neck over here, okay, like a complete compact round neck. It's just a medium size, which is my original size, but it's like a baggy look. And then you have these dropping shoulder sleeves, and then you have like a straight line cut, and then you have this gathered seam which comes around your hip line, and then you have this flared skirt kind of effect at the bottom. You can see all this rooted kind of effect, which gives you a flared skirt. While I really like the color, like this pastel purple color of this one, and I got this one for 679 rupees. Whereas the original price for this one was 799. So if you can carry something like that, then you should definitely go for it. What I like to do is like I would like to wear it along with a belt, and it is available in literally all the colors, like dark purple and then grey and then black and white and even light blue. And before going to the other pieces guys, I just wanted to show you very pretty scented candles that I got sent by Scented Candles, and it has the very best packaging. So you have to open it up, and then this is like a very beautiful wooden box over here, and they have written their brand's name. The pieces that I got over here is the scented candle in orange color, adventure, and in the purple color, which is dream. And actually these are aura based scented candles. So there are 8 type of auras, and every aura has their different meaning. So the ones that I have over here is the purple one stands for dream, and the orange one is adventure. That's what their name is. And there are 6 other scented candles, so you can select according to your aura type or the vibe that you want to go for. And wow guys, I tell you, this smells so nice, very fresh, like literally like it feels like you're just out of a shower. Smell, this one has more of like a orangey scent to it, and this one has, the purple one has a more of minty scent to it. This one is the size medium, and it comes for 200 rupees for both of them, which is, I'm telling you, is very very affordable. And they are actually going to come up with such a good concept of zodiac signs. Yeah, you're going to get your candles according to your zodiac signs. It's a very good option if you want to use as well, or even if you want to gift somebody, then you can definitely do that. And yeah, so all the links are down below, and their Instagram handle and links are down below, so you can go and check them out. So the next one over here that I'm going to show you, oh my god, cannot even imagine that I did it. So the blunder that I made was that जब मैंने ये ऐड किया शॉपिंग कार्ट में, तब मैंने इसका साइज XL सेलेक्ट कर लिया. Now you don't ask me why. This is like a beige color drawstring wear. Then you have this very nice drawstring over here. You have these nice strings over here to tie them up, and the material is cotton. And I got this one in the size I already told you, and I got this one for 679 rupees again. Pair this out with a biker shorts, which is going to look so good and so fabulous. I'm loving the look of it already. I told you कि मैंने size में गलती कर दी है. So you can just imagine that I'm wearing my own size and see the video. So the next piece that I have over here is a very pretty floral print skirt, a A-line skirt, just the summer vibe, and the color is this lavender purple color. This print is everything. It has like very small flowers done on it, like all over. So it is in the combination of purple and white, and the material is 100% viscose. And then you have a very nice strong zip over here, and along with that you also have a button inside it. I got this one for 679. I got this one in my size, like my waist size is 28, and I got this one in that size. Inner lining like this, which is of like a purple color material, like a very thick purple color material. So because of this lining, the skirt falls very nicely, very pretty, and it is not at all see-through, which is a very good finishing for the skirt, which you do not get to see in the skirts from any other brands. Definitely go for this one. It does not have a lot of color options, to be honest, but it has like different prints, like different floral prints and then checkered prints. Last but not the least is again kind of a staple piece, like a grey solid t-shirt, like a crop top. So this is how it looks like. It's very baggy and kind of very oversized look. This is in the size M, which is my normal size. And then you have these drooping, falling down sleeves over here. But I just got this one for 339 rupees. Yes, a H&M top for 340 rupees is a very nice deal, because the material of H&M will never ever disappoint you. The material is very very stretchy, and it is a complete cotton material. You have all the color options in this one, like white and black and a lot of color options. Use it when I'm attending my Zoom calls. This is the best for that, because it looks very clean and a solid color, but at the same time, you know, you just want to look a little bit good, so you can just hop onto something like this from H&M. from the Myntra app, I sometimes feel like it has more discounts than the original H&M website. So if the pieces that you want are also available in Myntra, then you should definitely check that out from Myntra itself. This one was mostly about a few staple colors, but if you want me to do something like very nice pieces, like a more dressier option, like nice skirts or flared dresses or something like that, then do let me know down in the comment section below. I will definitely make that for you guys. And until next time, take care of yourself, take care of your family, and yeah.